Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to view the blocked apps list on Facebook using your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook by launching your preferred web browser and visiting the Facebook website. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy. Step 4. Click on Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy. Step 6. Scroll down and click on Blocking. Step 7. Next to Block Apps, click on the Edit button. Step 8. Finally, click on See Your Blocked List. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to easily view the blocked apps list on Facebook. This allows you to manage your blocked apps effectively and regain control over your Facebook experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.